The 𝗪𝗁𝗃. The 𝗪𝗃 titanium multi-tool utensil is the ultimate accessory for adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. With its lightweight and compact design, this tool offers 9 essential functions for dining and activities. From eating and cutting to opening bottles and cans, the 𝗪𝗃 is crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, ensuring durability and longevity. The spork tip is designed to be an all-purpose eating tool, while the reverse side serves as a serrated butter knife. The middle of the utensil houses a bottle opener and potato peeler, while the end can be used as a screwdriver, pry bar, or box cutter. With the 𝗪𝗃, you can say goodbye to disposable plastic utensils and embrace an eco-friendly, zero-waste solution. Perfect for picnics, hiking trips, road trips, and more, the 𝗪𝗃 is an investment that will save you from single-use plastic waste, protecting the oceans and sea life. Zippo Hand Warmer. Stay warm no matter where you go with these pocket-sized furnaces. These hand warmers are both dependable and reusable, keeping you warm from the stadium to the campsite. With up to 6 hours of steady heat, you'll never have to miss a minute of outdoor fun. The hand warmers come in plastic high-polished chrome, pearl, and pink models and feature a small, sleek design with durable metal construction. The 𝗂𝗎𝗋𝗀 technology ensures you can use them with ease, while their gentle, flameless warmth is both safe and comfortable. The self-standing design ensures they won't get lost in your pocket, and the included warming bag and filling cup make them even more convenient. The lighter fuel refillable feature makes them a great investment for anyone who loves the outdoors. A refillable hand warmer replacement burner is also available, making them a great investment for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. MSK1 Knife. The market for survival knives is overflowing with options, ranging from large to small and everything in between. The MSK1 survival knife stands out from the crowd with its claim to be the ultimate survival knife. This complete survival system combines a robust blade with a handle that houses a full survival kit, making it more than just a knife. The 4.6-inch full-tang blade is made of high-quality D2 high-carbon steel and features a fine edge, quarter-inch thickness, black oxide coating, and a center-aligned clip point. The handle includes a hidden survival kit, a steel bow drill pivot, fire steel striker, and built-in lashing holes. The knife also comes with a 2-in-1 nylon and kydex sheath and is 11.3 inches long. 𝗏straw. The 𝗏straw is a highly affordable, user-friendly water filter that is marketed as ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergency preparedness. After using it on a trail, it's easy to understand why it's a popular option. The 𝗏straw effectively filters bacteria, protozoa, and other impurities from water sources. Its main advantage is its simplicity, as there's no need for bags, bottles, or tubes. Just stick the 𝗏straw into a water source and start drinking. It's lightweight and costs only $20, making it one of the most budget-friendly water filters available. However, the 𝗏straw's versatility is limited. It can be used directly in a water source or used to drink from a container, but it can't be used to filter and store water in another container. Additionally, you need to get close to the water source to drink, which may not be ideal in all conditions. The caps at both ends of the 𝗏straw can also be problematic, as they sometimes close or stick. In conclusion, the 𝗏straw is a great option for emergency preparedness and as a backup filter, but its functionality and versatility leave room for improvement. If you're looking for a water filter that can store water and be used in different conditions, you may want to consider a different option. MS5 EDC. The ideal survival kit is one that is compact, easy to use, and multifunctional. The Motion Raid MS5 is just that. With its small and portable design, you can take it with you anywhere you go and have peace of mind knowing that you have everything you need to survive. Not only is the MS5 practical, but it's also stylish, making it the perfect toolkit to carry with you. The MS5 comes with a world-class water purifier and a military-style compass, allowing you to blend in with nature and explore the wilderness with confidence. The kit includes easy-fit blades, magnesium fire starter, boring grill, and flashlights, ensuring that you have the right tools to survive in any situation. The MS5 also comes with a USB charger, an SOS GPS tracker, a micro burner, fishing tackle, and much more, making it a complete survival solution. Camillus Camtrax 3-in-1 Hatchet. The 𝗬𝗏𝗏 Chemtrax 3-in-1 hatchet is the ideal outdoor tool for all of your adventures. With a length of 12 inches, it is equipped with a strong 2.75-inch titanium-bonded stainless steel blade that can handle any chopping job with ease. But that's not all. This tool also functions as a hammer and a 7-inch lockback folding saw, making it an essential tool for camping, hiking, or any other outdoor activity. The comfortable glass-filled nylon handle provides a secure grip, and the glass-filled nylon sheath, complete with a reversible belt clip and integrated bottle opener, makes it easy to carry with you on the go. Fenix LR35R Flashlight. Looking for a powerful, compact flashlight that packs a punch? Look no further than the LR35R. This little guy packs a big punch, blasting an amazing 10,000 lumens of light into the darkness. And at just 5.5 inches long, you'll be able to easily carry it with you wherever you go. With its USB Type-C rechargeable capability and battery level indicator, you'll always know when it's time to power up. Plus, its intelligent step-down overheat protection will keep the light from overheating, even when you're using it at maximum output. Whether you're an outdoorsman or just someone looking for a reliable, bright flashlight, the LR35R is a must-have. And with its IP68 dust-proof and waterproof design, you'll never have to worry about it failing in inclement weather. Just be sure to use a wall charger with at least 2 amps for proper charging. M48 Tactical Shovel. Introducing the M48 Tactical Shovel from United Cutlery, the ultimate tool for any outdoor activity. This top-selling product, designed with survival and versatility in mind, is the latest addition to the M48 lineup. Constructed with tempered CR13 stainless steel and a black oxide coating, this shovel is both durable and non-reflective. Its sharp edges are designed to pierce, with one side having a partially serrated edge for sawing and the other side featuring a concave bevel for charging. The 30% fiberglass reinforced nylon handle is almost indestructible and offers a comfortable grip in even the harshest environments. Whether you're camping, chopping wood, or need a defensive weapon in an emergency, the M48 Tactical Shovel is the perfect tool for the job. 𝗬𝗏𝗴 Tinderbox. Get ready to ignite your next adventure with the Bear Grylls Tinderbox. This innovative tool features a top-notch, steel-like cutting surface for effortlessly creating tinder and a convenient tray to catch any shavings. Simply shave wood into the tray, press the button to remove your tinder, and then place the dried tinder on your collected items. Don't worry if your matches are wet or your fire starter is unavailable, as the tinderbox also comes equipped with a magnifying glass to light up your tinder. When you're done, safely store the tinderbox by covering the cutting surface with the plastic cover. In case of an emergency, you'll also find an emergency signaling mirror on the bottom and the Bear Grylls Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide included. Lightweight and life-saving, the Bear Grylls Tinderbox is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Slumberjack Nightfall 1. The SJK Nightfall one-person tent is a must-have for your backcountry adventures. With an external pitch frame, setting up the tent is a breeze, even in the rain. You don't have to struggle with a fly, simply set the whole thing up as is. The best part? The internal mesh can be removed, making it the perfect shelf for your later backcountry pursuits. You can use a footprint for added coziness or go ultralight and just pack it in your pack. The Nightfall is incredibly easy to set up, with simple pole constructions that can be done in no time. The tent features aluminum poles and stakes, ensuring you're protected from bad weather. With a fully taped seam to fly and an extremely large vestibule area, you'll have plenty of space for all your gear. The tent is available in Cryptek Highlander camouflage print or solid gray and has a back panel that opens up for added ventilation. Whether you're going on a backcountry trek, the Nightfall one-person tent is the perfect choice. 𝗧𝗵𝗴 Trauma First Aid Kit. The 𝗧𝗵𝗴 Emergency Trauma Kit is the ultimate solution for individuals who want to be well prepared for any outdoor adventure, hunting, camping, travel, disaster, or accident. This kit is designed with organization in mind and is ideal for police, military, combat lifesavers, first responders, outdoor enthusiasts, and more. This set features a compact collection of the most accessible and commonly used supplies for controlling severe bleeding in survival and first aid scenarios. Included in the kit are a user-friendly recon tourniquet, scissors, a pressure bandage, and the compact and popular 𝗬𝗵𝗴 gauze. The emergency thermal blanket is designed to keep the body temperature warm, which is crucial in treating hypothermia after significant blood loss. Additionally, this kit also includes an 18-inch splint roll, a triangle bandage, and an elastic bandage to treat any bone fractures of your limbs. At 𝗬𝗵𝗴, customer satisfaction is a top priority, and they offer a 60-day hassle-free return policy for all their products, ensuring that you can trust their quality and reliability. This red trauma kit comes in a 600D polyester pouch with an MED patch and includes additional supplies such as a marker, hygiene supplies, adhesive dressings, strip closures, and more. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 hatchet. Are you looking for a versatile and reliable tool for your outdoor adventures, rescue missions, or tactical situations? Look no further than the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 tomahawk. This powerful yet lightweight instrument delivers exceptional chopping, cutting, and penetration capabilities. The 𝗧𝗵𝗏 is made from rugged 3CR13 stainless steel and coated with a durable powder to withstand even the toughest conditions. With its sharp 3.3-inch edge, you can easily chop, cut, and slice through a variety of materials. The handle's high grip allows for controlled cuts, while sliding your hand lower down the shaft increases power for maximum penetration. The hardened pointed spike is also a valuable asset. The 𝗧𝗵𝗏's handle is molded with low-density polyethylene, making it nearly indestructible and over 3 feet long. A 550 spec power cord provides a secure and comfortable grip, as well as the ability to tether the tomahawk to your wrist for added safety. When not in use, store the blade in the black nylon belt sheath with its twin top snaps for quick access. The 3-inch belt loop allows for comfortable carrying on your side or lashing to your gear. Weighing only 1 3/4 pounds, this premium, lightweight tomahawk is built to last a lifetime. If you liked the video, check out this video, 12 coolest gadgets you will want to have.